Hey guys, this is Noob Cramp here. I wanted to say thank you guys so much for 150 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Also, take a look around this Murder Mystery 2 map. Oh my goodness, this looks sick. And I also want to thank people who've been watching me for a long time. I want to say thank you again. And yeah, I also kind of want to say thank you guys for hundreds of viewers in my other videos. I appreciate it. Thank you guys, of course. Okay, I really wanted to shoot the murderer for my 150 subscribers. Anyways, who's the murderer? Who's the murderer? Yo, who's the murderer? What? Who's the murderer? Who's the murderer? Who's the murderer? Do not come to me. Let's go! Since February 25th, 2024, this was basically a video about me saying thank you for 15 subscribers and stuff. And yeah, this is a pretty old video. This is when I got 25 subscribers, and it's me playing Piggy and stuff, and yeah, of course, playing Piggy. And sadly, I did not beat the game. And this is when I hit 50 subs, and this is me just playing my favorite OG Roblox game, saying thank you for 50 subs. This is my community post where I hit 100 subscribers. And yeah, sorry about liking my own community post. Sorry about that. It's my addiction. I'm really sorry, guys. Shout out to Angry July, Desang 12, CC 4825, Fire in the Hall 553, Depostro Space for congratulating me for hitting 100 subscribers. And oh my freaking goodness, this is when I got 125 subs and 10,000 viewers. Oh my goodness, man. That's like a ton of viewers, man. And right now I have 150 subscribers. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe.